This recent YouTube update is mad oh. So guys, for like a while now, I've been experiencing a drop in my revenue. Like guys, when I mean I'm literally earning like $1 per 1,000 views on this my channel with a long form video. So I've been wondering what is going on. What am I doing wrong? Like what was I doing before that I'm no longer doing? So like I've been feeling so frustrated at some point sef, and if you all notice my channel you will notice some inconsistency despite how hard I try, but deep down I was hurting myself. So I was just like, omo, what can I do? What should I do? What should I do? So I just said to myself, you see all those to go and be turning ad slot or not turning ad slot, because in as much as I try to maybe take a pause while filming, while recording my video, so that I can be able to go and be placing ads in the place that I have a pause. It was, in fact, it's not working. I've tried. There was a video that I posted some times ago, and like I just paused. So I got a comment. The person was like, Abi, did you forget what you wanted to say? What this thing reach my chest. But that's by the way, guys, you all won't believe what is recently going on with my revenue. Like for 3 videos that I've posted past, like these videos, the revenue is mind blowing. And what did I even do? I'm going to be showing you all of them in this video. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube has recently been paying me per 1,000 views, just because I just said to myself that I'm not going to be doing this ad slot or no ad slots here, because even before now I wasn't doing it. So I just recently started doing it after watching a big YouTuber here talking about it. I said, okay, let me give it a try, but more, it wasn't working. So right now I'm going to be showing you all how much YouTube paid me for 800 views, and I'll also be showing you my previous video, how much YouTube paid me per 1,000 views. Like, ah, God, I'm so happy. Maybe it was because I decided to stop doing this thing, and I think it's the recent revenue update, because from one of my student that is also monetized, he was also telling me of this morning, and he was like, could it be that YouTube is actually increasing their revenue, though he owns a faceless channel, and but that is any more than me, like. His revenue is higher than my niche revenue. Imagine a faceless prayer niche Bible channel. Yeah, but that's by the way. So right now I'm going to be taking you through with the aid of a screen record to show you all how much it paid me for 800 views. Don't play. So this is the video here, this beautiful video that I dropped yesterday. You can see that it's one day 16 hours ago. Yeah, so the video has actually gotten 2.4k views. Yeah, it just entered 2.4k like right now while filming this video. Yeah, so but YouTube has only paid me for 899 view. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be showing you all. So let's quickly go over to the analytics. I'm not gonna be wasting your time, okay? Yeah, so from here you can see it has gotten 2.4k views, and from the YouTube recommendation it's 1.7k. That is, people were really searching for this video. Yeah, people were really searching for the video. So let's go over to the reach aspect of this video, and you can see that this video has gotten 26.6k impression, which is really nice. And these are how viewers find the video. These are the external sites, and these were what people was searching for that brought them to this video. So let's go over to the engagement aspect of the video. 121 watch hour. People actually watched the video longer. It even have deep. That's beautiful anyways, but it's not good. Yeah, so let's head over to the audience aspect. Let's know what really contributed to the high revenue of this video. Okay, so you can see here 65 returning viewers. Then these are the age group, 45 to 54. Wow, it's been a while I had this kind of age group watching my video. This is the gender aspect, nothing much. And from the top geographic, you can even imagine United States is just 7.8%, and the revenue was still high like this. Guys, Nigeria is 15.1%, Okay, so now let's head over to the main business of the day, which is the revenue aspect. So let's go back to the revenue, and this is what we have here. $4.29. Don't play. This is what YouTube has paid me so far since I dropped this video on my channel. Alright guys, so let's go over to the video performance. Yeah, this is how this video has performed. This video, my revenue per 1000 views for this video is $4.77, almost $5. Like when I saw it this morning, I was, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was happy with the video I dropped 2 days ago, and now this one again. Even the one I dropped before I dropped the one 2 days ago, like the revenue has been so beautiful. Yeah, so from the screen here, you can see that YouTube has paid me for 899 views, and this is what they paid me $4.29. This is really beautiful. This is earning by ad type, skippable, display, and the rest of them. So this is what YouTube paid me for 899 views. Don't play. So let's quickly head over to that other video that I dropped 2 days ago on my channel. Let's see what that video have for us. Let's see what the video has for us. Yeah, so this is the video here. This one that says no views on YouTube, no subs, turn this off, right? And let's click on it to see how this video has performed. So yes, before I even forget, you can see move ad slot. I didn't move anything. Now let me show you that other side. You will still see the same thing. Move ad slot. I said I'm not moving. I am not moving. Anywhere people should place out and give me any revenue you guys want, because sometimes all this drama is too much. Move out slot, I will move out slot, I will move out slot, they'll be rejecting it. You guys are rejecting my ad slots, but that's by the way. So let's go back to the business. Let's just head over straight to the revenue. This video has gotten 1.4k, and though the average, that is the click-through rate, has actually reduced to as low as 6.9. So that's by the way. So let's head over to the engagement. Let's go over to the audience, and yes, let's check the audience. Wow, UK is actually 10.3%. That is beautiful. Nigeria is also 34.9%. That's nice. So let's head over to the revenue aspect of the video. And for this revenue, we have $4.89. It's also beautiful. So for 1.2k views, YouTube paid me $4.89. This is mind blowing. Like, this is beautiful, honestly speaking. Yeah, so you all can see how much advertisers are paying me, $6.15, and this is what YouTube is paying me per 1000 views, $3.95. It was quite higher than this. It was around $4 as of 2 days ago, but YouTube is YouTube. Yeah, maybe because one thing that I believe is that once the video stop getting all that engagement, they'll just reduce the dollar. If you're also experiencing this particular thing that I'm saying now, you can drop it in the comment section, because if you're monetized, you should definitely be noticing this thing about YouTube. Yeah, so this is what it paid me for 1.2k views. Guys, relax. Let me show you one more last video. This video is fat. It's still paining me. If this video revenue is not paining me, it has pained me and reached my vein. Now let's head over to this beautiful video that actually went mini viral. YouTube revenue update. This has to be a joke, right? That I did this thumbnail. YouTube, why? Calm down. Let's go over. Yeah, now some of it will be like, because of the video is short. The video is 6 minutes 28 seconds, right? I have another video on my channel that is just 6 minutes that YouTube pay me for 1000 view of about over $3. So don't just come for me for this one, okay? Now let's head over to the whole analytics. You can see that this video has gotten 13.7k views, and I posted it 13 days ago. Yeah, so let's head over to the rich aspect of the video. It has even gotten 165.9k impression. This is mind blowing for that amount of view. So these people actually saw the video. Saw the video, yes, but the ones that actually watched it, click on it to watch it, is that 13.7k. Okay, so now these are what people are searching for YouTube revenue, because it was all about revenue. And Princess Chamaka tilted Princess Chamaka. Another thing that I want you all to notice, you see Google search. That's what I used to tell you, that as a YouTuber, you should learn how to optimize your video. Learn how to optimize your video, because had it been that this video wasn't properly optimized, I wouldn't be seeing this Google search. Imagine, from Google alone, I got 7.7%. That is to tell you that this video actually did so well. But that's by the way. Let's go over to the engagement aspect. And I even have top moment. You can see how wide it is. Now, let's quickly check the audience before we go to the revenue aspect. Let me even check something with you guys. So these are the age that watched the video, and from the audience here, you can see that a whole Nigeria is 53.3%. Almost, that was too much. United States was 6.8%. Mind you, the other one was just 7%. Let's head over to the main business of the day, which is the revenue aspects. So for revenue, this is what I have. $24.37 for 13.5k views. Oh my god, like I wanted to cry. Don't worry, I think I should be showing you another of my revenue also that has this same view range, so that you all will be able to understand where I'm coming from and why it's paining me. Yeah, so you can see from the screen here, per 1,000 views, YouTube is paying me $1.81. It has even increased. Before it was $1.50, I'll be 49 cents. And this is what advertisers are paying me per 1,000 views, $3.91. When I even saw this one, I knew deep down that this is a no-go area. Like the revenue was gonna be too poor. Yeah, so this is how my earning came. Skippable display and the rest of them. Yeah, so have you seen? Have you seen? Okay, so let's quickly check the last video here, so that this video we can get done with it. Let's quickly go over to this, my beautiful lovely video. No views, no subs, no watch hour. Turn off now. Now let's click on it, and let's quickly go over to, wow, it has even gotten 14.6k views. As of when last I checked, it was 12.9. So I just assumed that it must have entered 13,000 views by now. So let's go over to the video performer. Sorry guys, my mic actually went off, but let's try to complete the video. So let's head over to the analytics of this video. As you can see from the screen here, this video has gotten 14.6k views. So let's just head over to the audience aspect to know the people that actually watched the video. So from the audience here, you can see the age group that watched the video. It is actually really beautiful. I didn't even expect 55 to 64 years to actually watch the video. Now let's go over to the top geographics. You can see Nigeria is 33.9%, which is beautiful. United States is 13.0%, which is so lovely. And UK, yeah, this revenue is supposed to be even higher than what I got. But let's just head over to the revenue aspects. So for let's check over again. For 14.6 thousand views, YouTube is actually paying me $60.75. This is mind blowing. Yeah, so this $60 is actually for 14.2k views. Like, this is beautiful. Imagine YouTube paying me this for 14.2k views and paying me for that other previous video for 13 point something k views. Yeah, so this is to tell you that each video you drop on your channel, they cannot be the same revenue, and a lot of things contribute to it. Okay, yeah, so guys, have you seen it? Have you seen, this is how much advertisers are paying for the video? $7.47, which is really mind-blowing. And this is revenue per 1,000 views, $4.27. So guys, this is it. And okay, let me check. Okay, for this video, I actually placed ad, that is that place that ad placement. I actually did it for more than like 5 or 6 times. It didn't work. I just let it be. But after some times, I saw that YouTube personally placed the ad by themselves. So this is the recent YouTube revenue, and I'm so happy. There are a lot more, but I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'll have to be stopping here. So I think for the month of May, YouTube is actually increasing in their revenue aspect, because I didn't expect what I saw this morning. I'm so happy. And this is to tell you that if you're a YouTuber, you're not yet monetized, just keep pushing. Try your best to keep pushing and do not give up, for you to get monetized as soon and start earning like us. Yes, even if it is small, it's worth it. It's worth it. In fact, what I'm even earning, that I'm even saying that is pinning me, like Why should it even pay me? I'm just like right now it's just my mic. I'm not even using my tripod stand or any ring lights. Yeah, I changed location actually. That's why I am filming this way. I'm bending now, but very soon I'll be in a much more relaxed room with my chair and the rest. But that is by the way, just making video online, and I'm earning this. Isn't this beautiful? This is beautiful. Just tell me congratulations in the comment section. So guys, if you've watched to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, like this video if you've not liked it, and do not forget to share so that it can get to a lot of people. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. If you have any question, if you want me to talk about any YouTube payments, that is how much YouTube pays for so views, drop in the comment section, and I'll be in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. It's Princess Chiamaka.